My name is Laura Pantlio, and I'm the Solution Specialist with My Epiroc. Today we'll be going over how to view alarms and upcoming services in My Epiroc. This is subject to versions 2.0 of Epiroc and may change later on. There are a couple ways to view fault, alarm, and service notifications in My Epiroc. From your dashboard, you can click the notifications bell in the upper right corner. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all notifications. From your dashboard, on your favorite equipment, you will also be able to see little icons representing the service and alert notifications that you have. To view all fault and service information for your fleet, you can go to the Fleet View. To view more information on the faults and services for your machine, find the machine you would like to inspect, select it, and then go to the Machine Profile page. From here, there are multiple ways to find more information. For example, you can click the notification next to services. This will bring you to the service notification page. In this case, there is one overdue service. You can either skip the service or mark the service as completed. You can also view upcoming services and past services as well. For faults, you can go into the timeline. To view faults specifically, you can select this drop-down and click Unresolved. Here you can specify that you want to see fault reports, metric reports, log reports, alarms, or warnings, and toggle on and off which you would like to see. Once you have made your selections, you can hit OK, and a list of all of the selected will show up. Another way of seeing service details is to return to the Machine Profile page. From here, if you scroll down and select Service Details, you will again be able to see overdue, upcoming, and past services. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, please contact your customer center or dealer.